Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll walk you through a step-by-step process of creating Gmail accounts on Google. If you don't have any of email accounts yet, or if you are looking to create a new one, you are in the right place. So Gmail is one of the most popular and secure email service in the world and is completely free. By the end of this video, you will have your own Gmail account, which you can use it for email, YouTube, Google Drive, Google Docs, and any other Google services. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit all notification bell so that you don't miss any of my helpful tutorials in the near future. Now let's get started. But before we start the process, let's quickly discuss why having Gmail account is so important, my friend. Gmail account is very important, my friends. It's very important because it gives us a number of features and services on its many platforms. Say for example, it gives access to Google services. It is secure and reliable. It's free and easy to use, and it do have cloud storage. Gmail account gives you access to YouTube, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Photos, and many more features. The other one is Gmail is secure and reliable. Gmail is protected by Google's advanced security features, and it can easily keep your email very safe, my friends. So it's also free and easy to use. Gmail is completely free and works on any device, be it phones, tablets, or computers. The other advantage that is provided by Gmail is cloud storage. Google provides 50 GB of free storage for us, allowing you to save emails, attachments, and files in the cloud storage. Now that you understand the benefits, so let's create your Gmail account step by step. Follow me. Let's go. First, you are expected to follow every step very carefully because you need to have your very own Gmail account to be created by yourself. The first step is open Google sign up page. To do so, you have to open your browser. Either it is Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser that best suits for your browsing. And then in your address bar, you are expected to write or type www.gmail.com and then hit the enter button. After doing so, you will have this interface. Click on create account. Create account. By doing so, you will see two options for myself or for my business. You have to select one from these two options. If you select for myself, you are preferring your Gmail account to be used for your personal email. And if you select for my business, you are preferring to use Gmail accounts for your business. But I'm going to show you one of the two options. Let me prefer for myself use. Create account for myself use. And then you will have two options here. That is in the second stage. You have to fill in your personal information. Enter your first name and last name. your first name and last name. Say, for example, my name is Hassan Imar, and the last name Imar, but it is optional. Last name is optional. You can leave it and then hit next. The second information is the basic information that you are expected to fill. The month, dates, and year, your birth information. Let me fill it. Say, for example, it's February 15 and 1996. And then you have to select your gender. Mine is male. You have to hit the next button here. Then you are expected to choose your Gmail account address. Your Gmail address. You have to choose your unique username because this will be your email address. But fortunately, Google will suggest you. However, you can also create your own address. Let me show you. For example, Hassan 58 at gmail.com. Here it is. You have to hit next. You have to hit next button. But unfortunately, the username is taken. So you have to try another one. In this case, you have to try another one. Let me add some other distinct characters. This one is also taken by some other users. Then you have to create a strong password. By now, you have to create a strong password. In order for you to create a strong password, you have to use at least 8 characters. These characters should include uppercases, lowercases, numbers, and symbols just for your security to make your passwords very strong. Say, for example, let me provide sample password. For example, Hassan. Let me show you. This is an example. Hassan 189. Okay, special character. That's this is, and then you have to confirm it. And then hit next. This is a tutorial video. You can either save or not. For your security, Gmail will request you to add recovery email. Whenever you forgot your password or whenever you lost your email, you will recover your address just by adding this recovery email. You can skip it. If you don't know. Let me say skip. Let me choose skip. Then you are also expected to review your account information. This is your address. For example, I have given my name as Hassan Imar and my email address at hassan587878@gmail.com. If it is true, if it's right, you can click next, just to confirm that. And then finally, you are expected to read the privacy terms and policies. You have to read all these carefully. And you have to agree. So it's I agree button. And then the next step will be generating the Google Workspace. My friends. Congratulations! By now, your Gmail account is created, my friends. Your Gmail account is created. Next, I'm going to show you how to access and use your Gmail account right now, my friends. Now that your account is ready to use, and let me show you how to access and use Gmail. Logging into your Gmail account, you have to open your browser and go to www.gmail.com and then enter your email address and click next. You have to enter your password and click next, and you are now in the Gmail inbox. By doing so, you are also expected to understand the Gmail interface very well. The Gmail interface do have the inbox, compose button, send mail, spam folder, and settings. Let's see. It do have compose, inbox, start, snooze, send, draft, and many more other important features are here. Say for example, the inbox interface shows you where all incoming emails appear. And the compose button helps you compose or type your messages. Let's see. In the compose button, you have these two options. The first one is to, that is the address that you are going to send your email. The other one is the subject matter that you are going to send the message, and this one is the body. There are a number of interfaces here. You have to send this one. You are expected to attach files here using this button. You are also expected to insert links using this button. You are also expected to insert emojis using this one. This one is also insert files using Drive. This also helps you insert photos and many other features. Gmail do have a number of features. Let's see the manage tool or the settings. In this tool, you are expected to customize your Gmail experience, my friends. By now, let me show you the Gmail security tips, my friends. Gmail security tips do have at least 4 major security tips. The first one is you are expected to enable 2-factor authentication. This adds extra security by requiring a phone verification code when you sign, my friends. You are expected to do so. The second one is never share your password. Keep your account safe by not sharing your login details. Be aware of that, my friends. The other one is be aware of phishing emails. Please don't click on any suspicious links in your emails because it will make your email account endangered. The other one is you are expected to use strong passwords that will include and incorporate uppercases, lowercases, symbols, and numbers. You have to incorporate these issues in your password. And again, you have to change your password regularly to enhance your security. And that's it, my friends. You now have a Gmail account and can start sending and receiving emails for your friends and colleagues. Gmail is an essential tool for your communication, and I hope this guide made your process easy for you. So my friends, if you find this tutorial very helpful, please give this video thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then hit the all notification bell so that you will never miss an update from my channel. If you have any question or need any further assistance, leave comments below my video, and then I'll be very happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Please don't forget to give me thumbs up, leave your comments below my video, and then share this video for friends.